Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something that will be very helpful to you in your fashion design journey, and this is how to stabilize a stretchy fabric. So I'm going to be using this velvet sequin. It is very stretchy, and this stretch is not going to help you when you are trying to achieve some designs. Maybe you want the design to be firm or you don't want the stretch at all. So I'm going to show you how you can eliminate this stretch and how you can get something like this. So you're going to end up having something like this, firm like this. All you need a stretchy fabric, of course. Then you need a firm fabric. I'm using doll face satin. Any fabric that is firm is good, not something that has stretch, just something that is firm. Then you need hemming gum and your pressing iron. So that's all you need to stabilize your stretchy fabric. I've done this already, so I'm just going to put it aside and start working on one of this. So I just want you to follow me. After pressing the stabilizer, that's the firm fabric, that's what you're going to press first. You go ahead to place your hemming gum. If you have that 10 inches hemming gum, you can go ahead to just spread it. I don't have it in my location, so I'm using this. This is really time consuming, but it is worth it. So after doing this, another thing I go ahead to do is to keep the hemming gum in place, because this hemming gum can move. So I just do this. So if you notice, I'm not placing the iron on it, just a little bit distant, so that the steam can hold the hemming gum in place. Then I get my stretchy fabric and I just place it. So after doing this, I'm just going to place my pressing cloth. I do this because I don't want any issues, like maybe the fabric getting burnt or something. So I always layer with a pressing cloth. Let me bring it closer. Just go ahead to press. Ensure that you use a steam iron. If you don't have a steam iron, use water spray and your dry iron, because you need steam. You can see this steam, that's what you need. Okay, now you're just going to go ahead to trim around it. I'm just going to go ahead to press it a bit again, so that I'll be sure that it is really stuck. So this is what we have right now. You can see there is no stretch. It has been stabilized. Coming from this to this, you can see there is no stretch. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got value from this. If you're just in the channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, share with your community, share with people, share with every fashion designer you know. This is going to help them. This is a life changer hack. And you also use this, apply this when you are trying to stabilize your stretchy fabric. It's going to help you. And until next time, stay happy, stay positive, and stay stylish. Bye.